We pride ourselves at Ellis Winters on the creative approach we take to marketing homes, combined with the meticulous detail in everything we do. We create the perfect environment for competitive offers from multiple buyers to ultimately achieve the best price for our clients. Our Property Premier group on Facebook has become the place to see properties before they are advertised anywhere else. With thousands of motivated buyers, it plays a vital role in generating a buzz around our client's home. We use adverts on social media to target potential buyers for properties we advertise. Our Facebook page typically receives around 20,000 engagements per week. This includes people inquiring about our properties or the public sharing a property with family or friends who may be interested. One way to enhance the digital advertising of a property is through the use of high quality videos. At Ellis Winters, we offer 3 styles of video including property tours and lifestyle marketing using professional actors. It's the little details that make a big difference in securing the best price. It would likely come as no surprise that most homes that we sell are sold to buyers who live within a 3-mile radius. Often, it's likely that they'll be living in the same village or town. To take advantage of this, we've expanded our high street property displays from our office locations in St Ives, Chatteris and March to include displays in various village and town locations scattered throughout Cambridgeshire. Reaching a local audience has resulted in more buyers for the properties we sell, allowing for more competitive offers from a wider range of buyers. In addition to our local property displays is our in-house publication, View magazine, delivered quarterly to over 48,000 homes throughout Cambridgeshire. The View magazine features clients' houses for sale, housing market updates and useful guides. This generates a huge number of buyer inquiries that not only benefits the properties in the publication, but all of our clients. There's no better example of the extra mile we go for our clients than the marketing that we offer.